Hi friends, let me show you this new INSWAN document camera that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a great addition for any type of office work because it will allow you to project in your computer any document, any article, whatever you want to project in your computer really easily. It even helps you to read small fonts from jars or documents, small prints, whatever. You get the user instructions, you get an anti-glare sheet that you can use if whatever you want to project it has a glare or whatever. You can use this anti-glare sheet so you can see with no glare. And these accessories, these plastic accessories, are used if you want to connect like a microscope to the camera. Okay, so if you are in the education field, you could use these plastic accessories to connect a microscope to it. Okay, let me show you. First, you have to download the Documate application, the Documate software. Let me show you. This is the actual application, Documate, and you will see this kind of screen. Okay, let's connect the unit. We are going to connect it really easily. It is a USB port, so well, it's easy to do it. When you connect the camera, the computer asks you to access everything, okay? And now, there you have it. The camera is working already, okay? When you have the document camera, you can even use it not only to see or project documents, but when you want to read small fonts like this in medicine, in other articles, sometimes lenses are not that useful, and what you can do is use the camera. There you have it. You will be able to read and analyze small things with the INSWAN document camera. So you can film, project, and read all what you need in your home, in your office. It's a great document and small fonts camera. Thank you.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.